This is Natalia at Embodia. In this video, I will show you how to use our Waitlist feature, available for all Tier 3 users. You can use the Waitlist feature on Embodia to manage your waitlist and notify your patients of a cancellation that matches their availability. If you're the clinic manager, you can find and manage the clinic waitlist by navigating to the dashboard, consults, and clinic waitlist. Here, you can add patients to the clinic waitlist by clicking on Add to Waitlist, filling out the fields in a form, and clicking Submit. You can also search the waitlist, as well as book a patient appointment from the clinic waitlist for a practitioner in your clinic. Each practitioner in your clinic also has an individual waitlist that they can manage. Practitioners can add patients, search, and book appointments for themselves from their individual waitlist. Another way to access and use the waitlist is from your calendar view. Click on a blank time slot and search your waitlist. Input the date, time, and duration of the spot you have available and search for any waitlisted patients matching the criteria. Check the box to the left of the patient's name and send them an email notification letting them know that a spot has opened up or that you have booked them in. You can enable the waitlist feature in online booking so patients can add themselves to your waitlist. The clinic manager can enable this by going to My Clinic, Scheduling Settings, Online Booking. Then check the box to the left of Enable Waitlist and update your settings. This ends our brief tour of Waitlist on Embodia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.